to Eden, health, and scripture, it all came together for me today. A little over a decade ago now, someone introduced me to a concept. The concept is this: God works from the inside out. In Proverbs 23:26 it says, "My son, give me thine heart, and let thine eyes observe my ways." Along with the scripture, they gave me a circle chart showing how God works from the inside out and how Satan works from the outside in. Later on, I was introduced to Back to Eden gardening, and several years after that, the concept of how by restoring gut health you could bring yourself back to health. In Back to Eden gardening, the work is done underneath all of the wood chips to restore your soil to the way it was originally, which leads to having good fruit. If you watch James Prigione's The Gardening Channel, you know that this process takes about 5 years. In the Back to Eden film, Paul Gauci said that he was pleased that the lab results showed the same thing that his plants had been telling him for a long time, that the health of his soil had been restored to a pH of 7. Years later, I was listening to Barbara O'Neill, a doctor from Australia, talk about how your gut is like your garden. It has to have good bacteria covering the stomach and intestines to be able to receive and process the nutrition that gets sent to it through the food we eat. If that bacteria gets destroyed through drugs, wrong eating habits, or a combination of the two, then we start to be ill. And if we continue down that path, the illness gets worse. Recently, I was listening to another video that was made out at Paul Gauci's place, and he recommended a book called Alkalizer Die. This is what made the connection for me today. It is written by Theodore A. Baruti. He says that he realizes that incorrect alkaline acid balances are the cause for the pandemic health problems. Also, that when they are properly restored, he believed that it would hasten a return to vibrant health and strengthen our personal connection and alignment with God. So it all came full circle today. God works from the inside out on everything: our hearts and our souls, our gardens, and our health, so that He can have a stronger relationship with us and we can be stronger in Him. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to subscribe, hit that like button, and click that notification bell so you can receive all of our future videos. And please comment and share. We appreciate all the help we get. Thank you once again, and God bless you.